So if you guys watched the last video, if you guys didn't, go up here. But I ran over a cinder block yesterday, and this is the damage. So this whole thing ripped out. You can see all the things where it hit. The headlight cracked, so it's a little wobbly.
Bumper is literally split. Lights.
Light is broken.
It went under your car?
Yeah, it went right through the... Actually, I didn't hit it in the middle because I was worried about the oil pan. So I hit it right here. And it just continued to circulate in the wheel. Because all I heard was... It sounded like when something was in like the washing machine.
A big ass cinder block.
Exactly how it sounded like.
Oh god. Today we're taking a ride in this thing, the Versa. If you don't know nothing about this car, you better go back to the beginning of this channel, bro. This is the car. But today we're gonna go check out Troy at his house and show you his driveway. That's fucked up, and his car is also fucked up. I don't know which one is more fucked up, but let's go check it out. What's happening here? I don't know, fucking National Geographic or something is going on in your car.
Where I park, there's a lot of ants.
What is that? Diesel.
Diesel. Biodiesel, dog.
Someone tell this guy that thing is nasty.
Bro.
Bro, get GMO, HMO, STD, everything inside
I
that.
like HIV though.
Alright, onward to Kalihi.
I can go straight.
We're going straight.
Go straight.
We're going straight.
Sunday.
Sunday. Ow. Meh.
That is smooth.
This is why you don't come to Hawaii. Always traffic.
Is that a stop? No, so. Too bad, I went anyway.
Alright, we're coming out to Troy's Hill. I want to show you guys Troy's Hill. It's fucking retarded high. Stupid high.
With a fat pothole right in the center.
Okay, now this is flat ground. That's sort of going uphill. Now look at this. Oh! Bruh. Bro, this hill is ridiculous. But the scenery is nice. Hey everybody, here's Troy. Hey, thank you, sir. Here's Troy's daily. And here's Troy's 240 we're working on. S13 coupe. Hey, what is this?
Sketch.
You live on a fat incline and you do this. Bro, look, it's not even touching the... Oh, man. What are you doing on your car today?
Change the clutch.
Change the clutch and then we might have a secret surprise for you later.
What?
Pistons. So if you guys remember the Slam Saturday video, put on one of those handlebar, the Surikawas, and it's gone. So Micah already lost hope. Check this shit out. This guy's outside is all bust up. When you go inside, he's actually really
Don't be
clean.
lying. Don't be lying.
So Troy decided to get one of the sockets stuck.
wasn't you?
Yep, every time we wrench, it's 1 step forward, 20 steps back.
We'll be back in 10 months.
Alright, update, socket's still stuck. We're gonna come back to it, we're gonna grab some food real quick and meet our brother Hyatt from Variety.
Hey.
Pick up some juice, you know. We gotta take out the back half of the drive shaft and then the socket will come out.
Alright. Yeah. I know you guys know these guys. What's up, brother? Good to see you. So this guy usually has like 6 different sets of wheels, but he went back to stock. He's got something in store for you guys. Make sure you go check out their channel.
Got plenty parts coming in from Japan, so
Oh,
only shitty thing is it got back ordered, so
Week Fest coming.
fuck it. What, 3 months?
Back at it. Got some pizza. Got the socket out with pizza grease. Back drive shaft. And good to go. So, Mr. Strip Your Bolts here. Still stuck. Didn't even get to the freaking tranny yet. But we're working on it. We started at 10, it's already 2. Now we keep changing our locations of where we're gonna dismount this thing. But every time we change spots, we keep finding a strip bolt. You know the stress levels is running high when we bust out the handies already.
Anything is possible.
Anything is possible. Like all the fucked up shit that's happening to us. Strip bolt, strip bolt. Now we gotta saw it out with this.
Grind it out.
Grind it out. So we just cut out the last rounded out bolt. About to drop the tran, but look who's here. Oh, now that I got the bolt off, now you want to come and help.
Of course, it's easy.
Took us all day to get these bolts
I
out.
had to get a Christmas tree, and then there's still needles back there.
I pulled the trans out, all the bolts are loose.
I'm proud of him.
Now we're going from the top side.
Where you at?
Update, it's like 4 p.m. This is where we're at with this. We're just gonna take I'm gonna take a nap. He's gonna take a nap.
And we all gotta take a nap.
Logan's playing kendamas. Broke him.
Break bolts like how you break car parts.
Try sack tap him.
Fuck that.
Sack tap him.
Hey, can I see all the bolts?
Which quad roll is?
Sean was rolling hard, dog.
Yeah, I thought with the glasses.
Look at these 2 guys, how'd it work?
Fun. We have 5 tool bags, and none of these things have the correct tool we need for the last bolt. Alright, we gotta go City Mill.
Well, we had Costco's.
City Mill. Yep, we're still here late at night. Can't even see everybody, but still trying to get these trans out. Clutch job on a S13 coupe, not easy. So we had to go borrow a tool. Turns out it might not be the right tool. Ooh, round 2, Troy's car.
Round 2, Troy's car. Let's get it.
Today's Sunday. We've been up since Thursday. Working on cars.
I went to NEX last night. For some weird reason, before I went, I was super tired. And then when I went, I had the most energy in my life.
Haven't slept since. And we made it. Dude, this hill is stupid.
It's ridiculous.
Ridiculous. Oh, it's all wet. Oh, dodged it.
Breeze already happened, so you know, I'm gonna bust out the hat already.
If you want, you can tip Santa.
Sit on his lap.
What, round 2?
Yeah.
Banging it out today. Alright, so where we left off is
Same place we was at all day.
nowhere. We went nowhere. I remember what happened yesterday. We finally found the right socket. Here you go, sir.
Thanks, man.
We found the right socket that fits on that one bolt that we couldn't take off. And when I used it to take off the other bolt, that bolt got stuck in the socket. We're trying to get to the clutch, but there's 2 bolts on the very top that we can't reach. So now we're gonna remove the headers and heat shield. And Troy stripped another bolt.
Oh my god.
So changing our plan of attack. We're gonna take all kinds of shit out now. You need that? Hey Troy, I got the last bolt out. Yeah. Progress?
Progress.
Alright, now that we got that last bolt out,
Got the last bolt out, so now we're gonna drop it. When we're dropping it down, you gotta pull it back just a little bit, because there's gonna be like 2 dowel pins on the block side that holds the transit in place.
it's gonna be fun.